I got it. All right. Here with us tonight, ladies and gentlemen, Beehivefm.
Woo!
The one and only.
Only one.
Light skin.
Well,
We back.
Light skin is back, y'all.
there it is.
Yeah, a little bit. Yeah, a little bit.
You crazy.
Comedian extraordinaire, actor, father,
Yes. Impregnator.
cutie pie, author,
Well.
Now author.
Well.
and who are you? The one and only Pierre, y'all, ladies.
All right.
So Pierre,
Yes, ma'am.
you know, last night I went to Uptown Comedy to check
Okay.
out K-Spot,
Okay.
who held
What
it down
up?
for the
Yes, you
ladies.
did a good job.
I did, and I came after some vets.
Right.
Normally I go first, and like I said, I ain't the shit, but I'm working my way to become the shit.
Right. Well, you
Watch out.
You got the smell down. You just ain't the shit. You get to the point.
Right, you gonna just say that shit out
I'm
loud?
saying you're not the substance
Right.
yet. You're just the
Right.
smell. You're getting there.
Right.
Put the
Yep,
mic.
you
You
know.
put the mic to his mouth when he talks.
Exactly.
Oh,
Because
okay.
he talking that bullshit. I'm
Oh,
just,
no,
I'm trying to keep it away. I'm trying to keep my hand because I keep smelling shit from his mouth. So I don't know what it is. I'm trying to be mindful and, not to keep my nose abreast.
He set the stage for you guys.
And she's used to holding long, hard objects in her mouth. Oh, hey.
Yeah, I know. Blue tip, baby.
Okay.